Okay, so we got a snowblower here today, right here, and customer says it only runs for about 10 minutes, it shuts off, restarts it, and runs fine for 10 minutes, it shuts off. So I tried to duplicate that yesterday off camera, and the only thing I found so far is it surges. So it's got a carburetor issue. So what we're going to do initially is we're going to clean the carburetor, then we'll test it for the 10 minutes and see if there's any other issues. My suspicions are, since it's surging, that it's not getting enough fuel and shuts off after 10 minutes after the bowl empties or something. Now I did pop this off yesterday. This took a lot of effort to get it to come off. You had to pry it off with a screwdriver. Looks like the bolts on this side are missing. Okay, so to get this handle off so you can get the shroud off, there's two little clips here you got to poke out on each side. So I'm going to grab a screwdriver, I'm going to push this out. Shove that one down in there, and then I'll do the same on this side. Okay, I got this side to move, so there we go. That's all there's to it. And we got this little bolt right here, and then this shroud should come off. Okay, so I'm going to take this bolt out, and I'm not going to waste your time doing it on camera. Okay, so I had to take out two bolts here. Okay, so I had to remove the choke handle here. Also, after I removed these bolts, and all I did was I stuck a screwdriver down in here, and I was able to pry it off. So, there you go. Now I'm going to remove the throttle linkage. So all I got to do is hold the throttle open, and then it'll lift right up. And the spring came out with it. Now I'm going to take off the priming hose here. Okay, so here's the carburetor. So we're going to disassemble it, and then I'm going to put it in the ultrasonic cleaner also, just for extra security. Yeah, it's got a little bit of garbage in there. We're going to take out the nozzle, the emulsion tube. Now you have to open this up and inside here, you're going to have to push down the emulsion tube. It's in the center. Okay, so the emulsion tube is stuck in there, and I'm afraid if I press too hard on it, it's going to damage it. So I'm just going to try to clean it in the ultrasonic cleaner. See if we can bust that loose. Okay, so I washed it in the ultrasonic cleaner, but I forgot to take out the pilot jet. So, not a catastrophic problem. I can always clean it manually, which is what I'm going to do. It probably came clean anyways in the ultrasonic cleaner, but just to be safe. So I just took that throttle screw out, and we're going to pop the jet out like this. That's all there is to it. And then we're going to take a micro drill bit. So all we're going to do is just stick this micro drill bit down in there. That's all there's to it. And that is a tiny little drill bit. I can see through that hole, so it's fine. We'll pop that back in. Fluid in, make sure you get the needle valve in there. Put the float pin back in. Point the drain screw away from the inlet. That way you can reach it. Okay, so now we'll put the carburetor back on. Good flow on the gas. Now if we see dripping, then we'll know that the bowl is leaking. Alright, so now we'll put the throttle back in. Pop that in. Put the spring in the hole. And that takes out the slop in the throttle so it doesn't surge. That. Put the primer back on. Okay, so now I'm going to put the shroud back on, but I got to make sure that I get this hose into the shroud here. And I'm not going to be able to do it on camera. You won't be able to see me do it. Okay, I hit the button wrong, so I put the bolts on, got the shroud on. I had to take the muffler cover off so I could get that hose on, so I'll just put that back on off camera. It was only 2 bolts. Okay, so I don't have the shroud, the main shroud on yet, but I am going to try to start it, see if it runs okay. Okay, so it started. So now I'm going to run it for 10 minutes and see if it continues to run before I put that shroud on. Okay, so I ran it for 10 minutes. It didn't even hiccup. The surging has went away. Okay, so kind of a complicated process, but that's what it takes. So if you'll click the up next box, it'll take you to a video where I was working on something. So I hope this video helps you work on your equipment under the shade tree. Thanks for watching.